Pancit Sotanghon is ready for us to be enjoyed, as I had shown you in the previous video. And now we're going to put some in our bowl, and we have some broth, some more over here, and right there. And let's add scoop of some Pancit Sotanghon. Oh my goodness, this is super yum. Come on and eat. You're all invited at my table. The aroma is inviting you and me and all of us to enjoy this all together. Let me stabilize my camera here, and let me turn off the stove, and then we're going to, excuse me please, scoop some soup for you and me and all of us. Oh my, this is super yum. The color of the red cabbage incorporate in our Pancit Sotanghon. Oh my, this is super yum. Come on and eat. And then we're going to squeeze in some lemon. Here's your fork and your spoon. But first, we're going to bless our food, just like our beloved mom and dad said. And more in this, my beloved mom's cookbook, and more of my 22 books right here in front of you. Some of them are surrounding my mom's cookbook. Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you about the video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And all of my 22 books, yes, 22. Some of them are right here in front of you. Speak Tagalog over there. Are available worldwide at Amazon, Ex Libris, Barnes & Noble, all bookstores near you. And at my two websites, Juanita Gutierrez, BSEDMSED.com, JuanitaGutierrez.com. And this, my mom's cookbook, along with my 22 books, are available in ebook, Kindle, paperback format. Ebook means you could upload my mom's cookbook and all my 22 books in your computer quickly. And so, come on and eat in the Tagalog language. Kain na po tayo, Pancit Sotanghon. And let's bless our food. So important, isn't it? That my beloved parents and grandparents tell us always to do. Blessing for food. Mighty I am presence, accept this food. Make it pure and holy. Transmute it into thy violet golden flame of divine love. And see that it purifies and perfects all our bodies with a speed of thought, forever self-sustained. And that's my I Am God book by Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED, available at JuanitaGutierrez.com, Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED.com. And that's my beloved mom's book inserts. Come on and eat. This is super yum. And this is still hot, as you can see. It's still beaming hot. Happy cooking. Come on and eat. You're all invited to my table. And also invited for a 10% discount using my name, Juanita. And when you call here in New York City, New York, USA, 4am 1833 got crab, or online www.allfreshseafood.com and enjoy 10% discount using my name Juanita, and enjoy. Thank you for your support, especially as well. Of course, we bless our I am God within our heartbeats, your heartbeats, and everybody's heartbeats. And also to my wonderful subscribers. Let's blow some air. And let's see, this is the smoked cheddar cheese bacon sausage. And let's taste. This is still hot. Let's blow some air. For you hindi know all about super yum pancit. Pancit Sotanghon. Super flavorful. Just perfect for birthdays, baptism, weddings, graduation, any day of the year. Especially Happy New Year. Happy New Year, everyone. God bless us all with long lives, prosperity, good health, happiness, love, and light. Enjoying super delicious Sotanghon. Pancit Sotanghon. Excuse me please, I'm so excited. Napakasarap. Kain na po tayo. That means in Tagalog. As I wrote my book, Speak Tagalog, as you see in my other videos, written by yours truly, Juanita Gutierrez. Yes, that's me, Miss Gutierrez, speaking to you over the video. And that's my mom's cookbook, Mom and Chef, Nanay Nene Teodora, Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her daughter, speaking to you over the video. Juanita Gutierrez, BSED, MSED. And you will see Beloved Jesus, Married to Mary, a Love Revolution, written by yours truly, Miss Gutierrez. Let's enjoy our pancit Sotanghon. Super, super yum. This is mouth-watering. Come on and eat. You're all invited my table. Yum. Enjoy.